There are certain things which are like side effects to our mindset through all that we hear, see on social media, internet, and so on. This stress upon I want a complete man, I want a complete woman who can complete my life is extremely detrimental. Drop this. Namaste everyone, this is Roshni Shanaz, your spiritual well-being guide. Welcome to Fit Tak. Today I shall share with you how the seeming imperfections in our life actually complete us. But before I share this beautiful truth with you, let us chant 3 times our mantra for today, Hari Om Tat Sat, which is a very ancient mantra from the Vedas. Hari Om is one mantra and Om Tat Sat is another. Conjoined together, they form Hari Om Tat Sat, where Hari represents the manifest universe and life, and Om represents the unmanifest, the infinite absolute reality, and Tat Sat is the eternal sound pranava of that ultimate truth or reality. In this case, reality means complete existence. So this mantra, when combined together, is one part of the absolute, the other which is the ever unfolding manifest. So get ready, close your eyes and let us chant 3 times. Hari Om Tat Sat. So do some deep breathing and completely relax. And through this relaxation process, you can grow your practice. Do not be in a hurry. For now, just relax the best you can and let us chant. Breathe in and breathe out and completely relax your mind, body and spirit. Feel the words when you chant. Feel the vibrations being generated around you each time that you chant. We begin the chanting now. Hari Om Tat Sat. Breathe in, feel the energy. Hari Om Tat Sat. Breathe in. Hari Om Tat Sat. Take a deep breath and exhale. Feel the frequency of the chant around you. You may also feel the vibrations when you daily do a chant or prayers in a certain place, in that very same place every day. You will feel the vibrations from the bottom of your body where you are seated. And you will feel as if the vibrations are emitting from here, because that's how the energy moves. The energy moves like this and then comes out and circling us, going in from the crown chakra, again going inside us. Feel that energy every time that you chant. There are certain things which are like side effects to our mindset through all that we hear, see on social media, internet, and so on. This stress upon I want a complete man, I want a complete woman who can complete my life is extremely detrimental. Drop this. None of us are complete to complete another, but we have to be complete in our own heart and mind and soul by knowing our gaps of imperfections and filling it with life-enhancing practices. Our imperfections are like these gaps in our fingers. They are there to hold a stronger grip of things when we join them together. Every imperfect thing is complete in itself and becomes interwovenly more complete when it meets another imperfectly complete thing, thus making it like a unison of interdependency. एक दूसरे के आधार पर. Each one, when complete within themselves, transmute the shortcomings of the other and fill the seeming void to create the larger picture. बचपन में याद है we played this jigsaw puzzle. बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे pieces जिनको जोड़कर हम एक beautiful, one full image would come up. Each jigsaw piece has its own unique gap, and that fits into the other. Though it has a gap, it yet is complete by itself to fit and join into the other piece, which completes the beauty of the complete picture. Now, that gap is necessary for its growth to become the bigger picture of the game. Because if not, then it wouldn't be a part of the gorgeous image. So it is in our relationships. I need to be complete within myself first, with all my imperfections, and mastering the ways to handle them, so that I can meet and be with another seemingly complete person who may have his own gaps which I can fill, while he is the jigsaw piece that fits into this beautiful frame of life and fills the gaps at my end. So don't shirk your responsibilities with your imperfections. First embrace them, harness and cultivate them to become a factor that is the best complementing part in your life and others. Feel the inner forte of integrated living, which becomes the core pillar of your existence, and then wait to join hands with another to make a larger difference, whether that be in relationships, partnerships, business, anything. I pray that you all are able to be and feel complete within yourself and meet all the right pieces of the big jigsaw of life, creating that beautiful picture, that image of your life of dreams. So keep watching Fit Tak for more uplifting videos, and see you next week. Until then, stay blessed, loved and protected in love and light, and super duper Godspeed.